Hi everyone, welcome to Basic to Finance. Today I'm going to be showing you how to sign up on ZenGo Wallet. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you'd like to sign up and get started with ZenGo Bitcoin and crypto wallet, then first make sure that you've downloaded the application on your mobile device. If you've not, go to your App Store or your Play Store and get the app downloaded. Once the app is downloaded, give it a tap to open. The first interface of ZenGo will look like this. Skip the tutorial by tapping on Skip at the upper right and go ahead and enter an email address that you would like to use for your wallet. Once you provide an email address that you have an access to and type it in the text box, tap the Continue button beneath. Open up your email service provider by tapping on Open My Email and select your application from the pop-up. Open up the email and confirm your email address by tapping on Tap to Confirm button. Once you confirm your email address, scan your face to finish setting up your wallet by tapping on Enable Face ID. Allow access for ZenGo to use your Face ID. Tap OK in order to do that. Now, go ahead and choose how you'd want to get started with ZenGo. You can start off by buying a cryptocurrency or receiving a cryptocurrency. You can also start off by exploring the app by picking the third option. Allow necessary permissions for ZenGo by tapping on Allow. And that is how you can easily sign up on ZenGo Wallet. Pretty simple, isn't it? I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.